Hello, welcome to Corporate Finance Crash Course for Quiz 1 for ABAC students. So, first of all, I do not own this question. My friend got it from her class and then she sent me. And secondly, I'm not a teacher or anything, I'm just a student. Okay, so the question, what should the company report in the investing section of the cash flow statement? In the cash flow statement, in the investing section, usually you report the sale or the purchase of your gross fixed assets. You put the gross fixed asset, you don't put net fixed assets. But in here, what the question has given you, the information given, there's no fixed assets. But as you can see, you can get the fixed assets of each year by adding net fixed assets with the accumulated depreciation. And to get the net fixed asset, first of all, you have to get the total assets, which can be obtained by the net fixed asset can be obtained by total assets minus current assets. So I'm going to show you how to do it, how to get the purchase of fixed asset of 36,000. So first formula you have to realize, I have put it in the blue lined rectangle. The total assets for the total current assets and net fixed asset passed together, it will be the total assets, which is, as you can see in the question, it's given the total assets and the total current assets. So you can easily find the net fixed assets by use the total assets minus by the total current assets. So I have shown you how to get the net fixed assets of each year. 2013, you would get the number as I have written in red color. And then for the next section, the next half, once you have got the net fixed assets, you can get the gross fixed asset easily, because the net fixed asset is a gross fixed asset minus by accumulated depreciation. So to get the gross fixed asset, you just put the net fixed assets plus accumulated depreciation, which is both of them is given in the question. Actually, they have given you only the accumulated depreciation, but before we have calculated the net fixed assets. So make sure you get the correct answer for net fixed assets for each year, because that will determine if you're going to get the right question for the gross fixed assets. And the gross fixed assets for 2013 and 14. Oh, sorry, I was wrong for this one. This is number 4. Wait. Okay. So, as you see on the right hand side, gross fixed assets 2013 and gross fixed assets for 2014 is obtained by using net fixed asset plus the accumulated assets. So each year you use net asset of that year and then plus accumulated depreciation of that year, and then you get the gross fixed asset of that year. And then we have come to the last part, which is determine the change. So you get gross fixed asset of each year. If the gross fixed asset increase, it means the asset you have increase in total asset, which is the purchase. It implies the purchase. And if your gross fixed asset decrease, it means you have sold your asset. So gross fixed asset 2014 minus gross fixed asset 2014 will get the increase, which is in positive number of 36,000. So as it's increased by 36,000, it implies that during 2014 you have purchased the fixed assets by 36,000. Okay. And when you adjust in the cash flow statement, always remember to put the minus sign in the statement of cash flow for purchase of fixed assets, because once you purchase, you acquire the equipment, you have to pay your cash. Okay, all right.